This is Zigbee Smart, new switch with screen. We can edit the switch name here. Now let us reset the switch. Press the button for 8 south. When the indicator light change colors, open Tuya app to find it. For example, we call the switch name Zigbee Smart. And you can see, the switch name changed to Zigbee Smart. The max letters number is 8 letters. We can change the backlight to 10%. And choose any color for the indicator light on or OFF. Now we change the on color to yellow. Off color to red. Just see the switch shows.